Come along with me today while I talk about the Wonyoungism diet and exercise, and how to incorporate it into your daily routines. Let's go. Of course, we're gonna drink water first thing in the morning. You can add chia seeds, lemon, or both. These two add-ons aid with digestion to achieve a flat tummy, glowing skin, and it also improves your mood and energy. Warm water is best in the morning, but you can have cold water if you want to. It's ideal to have your gym clothes ready to go the night before, and today's gym outfit is from G4Free, which is the sponsor of today's video. If you don't know about them yet, G4Free is an activewear brand, and they sent me a couple pieces and I've been loving them ever since. These pieces that I got are so comfortable because they're not skin tight. These are perfect for those days when I don't want anything tight or if I'm feeling a little bit bloated. I didn't know how much I needed loose fitting workout clothing too until I tried them. I really like how soft they are. The material and stitching, it's also very well made, and also the fit is super flattering and comfortable on the body. These are good for working out but also to lounge around. Usually when I get back from the gym, I want to take off the gym clothing immediately. But with these ones, I'm so comfy that I don't really feel so rushed to get out of them. If you want to get a new gym set to motivate you even more on your fitness journey, I'm gonna be having the link to all these pieces in the description of this video. Then I'm heading to the gym. I like to do fasted workouts in the morning because I wake up without an appetite, and it also aligns with my fitness goals. If you prefer to eat something before the gym to get your energy going, the popular morning cup of soy milk is a good idea now, or a protein shake is a good idea too. If you like to have your breakfast before working out, that's perfectly fine. But for me, I prefer to do fasted workouts. Just avoid any high sugar foods first thing in the morning. Technically, any workout is good for the Wonyoungism lifestyle, since Wonyoungism is about embracing who you are personally and taking care of yourself first and foremost. But great Wonyoungism workouts are of course Pilates and yoga, since these are Wonyoung's favorite workouts. They are also great because they help to create a lean muscle and help with flexibility. Another great option is dancing, and walking is essential for cardio every day. Aim for 10k steps for the best. That is approximately an equivalent of 1 hour and 40 minutes to 2 hours of walking every day. Because I always wonder like how much it's like 10k steps, like if I don't have something to track my steps, like I wanted to know like a specific time. And then for toning, I like to do some body strength exercise. I personally love push-ups, planks, and leg lifts. Find your favorites and add them to your daily workouts. And here are some ideas according to fitness goals. It's essential to build some muscle to maintain a lean, toned, and healthy body. As a beginner, I started using dumbbells and doing YouTube workout videos. I recently got myself some weightlifting gloves and I started using them with the weight machines at the gym. At first, they looked so intimidating, but now they're actually kind of fun to use. Find a workout routine that aligns with your fitness goals. I can only speak for mine since I'm not a professional and I'm not claiming to be, but to achieve a toned and slim body, my workout routine consists of walking and incline walking and the elliptical. And I aim to do 1.5 hours to 2 hours like throughout the day. The goal is 10k steps a day, and also Pilates and lightweight lifting training for toning and building muscle. To take a nice morning shower. I absolutely love morning showers after the gym. I never get tired of how refreshing they feel. Also, the after workout glow is such a treat. We're gonna take care of ourselves, do our morning skincare, moisturize our body, and do our hand skincare, brush our hair. I want to take this opportunity to say that your daily exercise can be done at any time of the day that works for you. It can be morning, afternoon, or night. I just showed my morning workout because it's what works for me, and I do recommend it, however, because that way it gets done first thing in the morning and you don't have to worry about it for the rest of the day. Now let's talk about the Wonyoungism diet. For breakfast, make sure it's healthy, high protein, and low sugar. This will give you energy and keep you satisfied for longer. I used to say that breakfast was the worst meal of the day because it always made me sleepy and hungrier until I started having high protein breakfast. Now I have more energy and mental clarity. I'm having my go-to breakfast, which is tofu scramble, and I literally have this almost every single day. I don't mind eating the same things every day if it's something that I like and I know it's healthy. And today I'm pairing it with strawberries because we all know that strawberries are a staple in the Wonyoungism lifestyle, perfect for breakfast, snack, or dessert. Now is the time to have the morning cup of soy milk. You can have it plain, of course, but for variation, I like to use it to make my morning lattes. You can do your favorite latte with it. It's so creamy and it adds more protein to your breakfast, which is always good. And soy milk is really good for you. It's really good for the skin and overall health. Make sure that it's sugar-free and organic. I alternate my lattes between coffee, black tea, and matcha. If you don't like latte, a green tea or herbal tea is good too, and then you can have the soy milk on the side. Avoid sugary foods like pastries, muffins, or packaged foods like cookies or chips. And according to your fitness goals, be mindful of your portions. Here are some breakfast ideas. Another important point is to keep hydrated throughout the day. Keeping your water bottle filled up and near will help with this. I like warm water rather than cold, but cold water is good, especially ice cold water, because it boosts your metabolism. I recently got this super cute bottle and I really like it. For lunch, I like to have things like smoothie bowls, protein shakes, yogurt with granola, or I'll have dinner leftovers if I have any. Avoid eating out if you can, since restaurants usually make their foods with a lot of salt and oil. Wonyoung emphasizes the importance of protein in your diet and prioritizing it on each meal. Here are some lunch ideas. Now let's talk about snacks. Snacks that are not necessary, but they can help you reach your nutritional goals, and they're good for those days where we are more hungry and we need more food. Our appetite fluctuates throughout the months because of our cycle. I personally know that I get hungrier for 1 week of the month where I allow myself to eat a little bit more. Intuitive eating is key for self-care because you're nourishing your body without overindulging. If you're not used to eating intuitively, it might take some time and some learning, but it's simple. You just need to practice it. If you feel like you're always hungry, try being very mindful of what you're eating. Add protein on every meal and snack, and drink a lot of water throughout the day. You might be mistaking hunger for thirst. Also, I want to remind you that if your fitness goals include losing body fat, it's okay to be a little bit hungry on a calorie deficit. Just don't undereat your BMR. It will make you lose muscle, which we don't want because it will create skinny fat instead. And now it's time to relax, make a healthy dinner. Wonyoung eats all types of foods. She doesn't really restrict any food groups, so it's okay to eat any foods you enjoy, making sure to portion control, especially the not so healthy ones. The rule is to eat until you're satisfied and not stuffed. My go-to for dinner is usually a protein and some vegetables, but I also love rice and pasta. Here are some dinner ideas.
Oh, hold on just a second. Partitions? For the room. But we won't have any room. We're sold out. Sold out? That's not possible. Oh, it's a fact.
Part of our movement for the day is an evening walk. This will help us reach the 10K step goal of the day. And there are mornings that instead of going to the gym, I go to take a 45-minute walk first thing. And it's usually on rest days or if I'm on my period, that I don't really want any heavy workout. And listening to an audiobook is definitely one of my favorite things to do on a walk. But you can listen to music, a podcast, or a YouTube video. To me, dessert feels like a must, especially after a really long day of work. You don't have to have dessert if you don't really like to have dessert, but if you're like me, then make sure your dessert aligns with your fitness goals. Today, I'm having my favorite chocolate chip cookies, and these are not the healthiest thing I can eat for dessert, but this day I wanted something special, and it's really all about balance. My go-to dessert are fruit and ice cream and yogurt. I love chocolate chip cookies, so I have them too from time to time. Making sure that you're factoring in your favorite foods on your diet helps you to be consistent with your fitness, health, and beauty goals. Here are some healthy dessert ideas. Now it's time for bed, and after nightly self-care, it's good to do a light stretch or a bit of nighttime yoga. After dessert, I forgot to record myself doing my stretches, but here's a video of me another night doing my night stretches. Anyways, this helps to relax and get better sleep, which is super important for metabolism. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of sleep to avoid getting hungrier throughout the day and avoid unnecessary stress on your body. Make sure you're going to bed like 2 to 4 hours after your last meal to allow your body to digest the food that you ate, and it'll let your body fully regenerate while you sleep. Wonyoung mentions that she makes sure to eat all her meals to avoid getting hungry late at night, and a gentle reminder that it's okay to be a little bit hungry when you go to sleep, but do what works for your body, your health, and your goals. Well, this is the end of today's video. I hope today's video was helpful, gave you some motivation, or at least you enjoyed watching. Thank you for being here with me, and I'll see you on the next video.